Welcome to 23 Templevale Way Northeast, located in the beautiful community of Temple. This 4-bedroom home, 2.5 bathroom, features new hot water tank, furnace, double glazed windows, along with an oversized heated garage. Go on in and take a look. Did I forget to mention this home also comes along with air conditioning? I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 23 Templevale Way Northeast. If you have any questions or would like to view this home in person, give me a call at 403-667-9869 on my cell phone. Thank you so much.